Welcome back to the channel. Tom here, episode 10 of the ZX9R restoration, resto mods, rebuild, whatever you want to call it. Yes, I am in the car. You might be wondering why I'm in the car. Well, today I'm going to be replacing the bearings in my lower shock arm, the link. I believe there are 6 bearings in that and some bushes, so I'm replacing them. And Mario Swingarm, they've got bushes bearings in as well. Got the kit, I've got genuine bearings for the lower link, and I've got Slinky Glide for the swing arm. No, 2 bearings as well, and the swing arm for the lower link, so I've got genuine for them as well. I got the genuine parts from fowlersparts.co.uk. They're a pretty penny they were, but they were the cheapest around. And they are genuine, as it says so there. And they're the bushes. And also the what's it parts, the Slinky Glide bearings, they're from Wemoto.com. So I'm going to work because I don't have a bearing puller or a press, so I'll be using the ones at work because they've kindly allowed me to. So, please like and subscribe, enjoy the video. I'll see you in a moment. Right then, I think that was a nice little video for you. I've missed a few things out. Didn't realise there was a circlip on the main bearing for the Swingarm. I think I filmed it, I can't remember now. About an hour ago. So yeah, I got that out. And the kit doesn't supply a new one. Luckily it was, you know, it's covered in grease, not damaged or corroded, so that's good. I'm sure I filmed it, put it back in anyway. So the main issue I had with it was the big roller bearings, needle bearings in the Swingarm pivot. There's 3 in there, and the sealed bearing wasn't too bad to get out, but the needle bearings, they're a right pain in the arse. And well, the issue I had with that was one of the guys at work, they had a bearing puller, and because I've already painted the Swingarm, it was a right pain in the arse trying to get it off. I didn't want to damage the paint too much. So, lesson learned, don't paint before removing bearings. I'll remove bearings first next time. And then I can paint it and then put bearings in, because it was dead easy putting bearings in. Just needed a nice smooth piece of nylon under, you know, something under the where you're pressing this stuff in, something like that, nice and soft, so you won't damage it. But yeah, it wasn't too bad of a job really. Can't remember. I think I've lost one of the bushes, or I didn't order it, so I'm going to have a look at that. But the one that I don't know if I've ordered or not isn't too bad a nick, so I might leave that in.